So with a lot of Malaysians confessing to be foodies, and on top of that, every time when we go lepak or when we go hang out, we are always at a coffee shop or at a mama. So I thought to myself, why not have a Gerai as a side hustle? And I did that during the fasting month, whereby I have 3 tips to share with you guys. And these are the tips I wish I knew before I even started with my Gerai. So tip number 1 is location. Location is super duper important. What we want to do is we want to pick a location where there is a lot of traffic. And what will happen is that the frequency of people coming to our Gerai is much higher. And always remember, maybe out of 10 people, 4 people will buy from us. The second tip is menu selection, whereby we want to make sure that what we are offering is what people want. What I have learned the hard way is sometimes what I like to eat is not necessarily what other people would like to eat. So always make sure that we cook food that our main audience or our potential customers would like to eat. So a pro tip over here is always try different types of food. That way we will know what sells and what does not sell. Keep on trying and keep on adjusting your menu until you reach an optimum point. The third thing is marketing. In this day and time, we can see that people with a relatively high social media following, the business tends to correlate in tandem with their social media following.